Hello everybody, this is me, my unboxings and fun here today. Today I'm going to have an unboxing of the Amazon Basics range yogurt maker. Now I purchased this in the sales. This is currently I think between £20 to £30, but I purchased this in the sales at a very good price. And it's basically a machine that basically makes yogurt. It's electrically, obviously manufactured, so you can obviously plug it in to the main socket. And I think you have to wait for about 8 to 12 hours for yogurt to set and basically be made. But I purchased it from Amazon. It's available obviously through Amazon and in the UK and the USA. But you can see it says Amazon Basics Yogurt Maker. So I'm just going to unbox this. Actually, the box is actually open already because I thought there was a box inside the box, so I can unbox that as a main thumbnail. But unfortunately it ships in its actual box, so it's kind of basic. So it kind of goes with the name Amazon Basics. But anyway, this is the actual yogurt maker. I'm going to put that to the side. Nothing else in the box. Side. So then here we get the manual. So Amazon Basics yogurt maker. I don't know if you can see that. I'm just... Yep, so you can see how it looks like. So it's very nice actually. The manual is just basically telling you the timer, how you put it on, how to basically do it, how to look at the lids and stuff like that. So it's pretty cool. See what's inside this baby. Okay, it's very nice indeed. So we get a lid, of course, and this part taken out. I paid an amazing price for this. And for the price that I've paid, it's well worth it. So I'm just going to say, just keep your eye out on Amazon. If it does go cheap, like less than 15 or less than £20, which I doubt it will, but if it does, then you're lucky. But basically that. It's a little lid, and then you get these little capsules that just lift out into place. I'm going to put all of this in here because when I come to keeping it again, I'm going to be needing all of these. Basically all of these plastic sort of things, so very important to take them out. You can see that it has all the timer and stuff, and the timer functionality. Okay, this stuff. Okay, and you get these sort of jars. So you get these sort of jars where you put your yogurt in. So I'm just going to just focus onto that, so you can see. You don't have to know what a jar looks like, because I guess all of you know what a jar looks like, right? But if you don't, here's a reference. So the jar is glass, so for the price that I've paid, it being glass is very, very good. It's a bonus. So I'm going to take all of these glass. It's very big as well. Like the jar size is pretty big, so it's not like a little jar. This will probably last. I would say it'll probably last me a whole day for one person. Like a little yogurt pot is about this big. Now this is like this big. I mean, I'm someone who likes to eat yogurt, so this is perfect actually. Okay, let's see the machine, so seeing what's inside. Okay, so it comes again, random crap. Okay, let's see what's inside. So it comes with a screen, of course, so the Amazon Basics screen, and I'm just checking basically off camera. Yeah, okay. So there is there's a protective film on the screen, which is good. So obviously it protects it, and you can see it's Amazon branded, so Amazon Basics. We have our timer function, on and off key, and then obviously you can see at the bottom all the Amazon writing, serial number and all of that there. And yeah, it's stainless steel. So yeah, that's pretty much the unboxing of the actual thing. I can't do anything more in the unboxing, but I will be making a review on this because I have certain yogurts which I'll be using, so yogurt cultures, and I've been watching videos on YouTube on how to do this, and they said put yogurt, a little bit of yogurt in milk and put it in these pots and then make yogurt. But I was like, why am I going to use yogurt to make yogurt, which is a bit weird. So I want to make it from scratch. I'm going to use my own cultures, so I'm going to use these things I got from Holland and Barrett. So if you're in the UK, you would know about Holland and Barrett. They sell all basically vitamin supplies, dietary supplies, tablets, like everything. So it's pretty amazing. I got this from them. So I've got this one here, the strawberry. I've got raspberry, which I'll be trying out. got this one, which is just an original sort of unsweetened flavour. I paid literally more than the machine for these. Pretty much, and I got passion fruit. So these you can pick up at Holland & Barrett if you're interested. But yeah, that's pretty much the unboxing, guys. I'll obviously be trying it out with these things. I'm going to be trying out myself first to see if it works. I'm going to do it my own way, and then I'll make a video on how to make your own yogurt cultures and stuff like that in a separate video. But if you're interested in the food sort of side of my channel, of course, on this channel I make unboxings, I make reviews, I make all sorts of stuff, you know, Lego unboxing, toy reviews from, you know, iPhones, things like that. But if you like the cooking side of my channel and things like food, you know, making stuff, like I remember before I used to make like ice pops and stuff on the channel, like crushed ice stuff. If you go back, you can see like the frozen Olaf maker that I made, unboxing and review and stuff. If you want that in here as well, let me know. Put comments down below if you want to see how I make my yogurts. Does it work? Any good advice? Any good tips? Then leave your comments down below and I'll see what I can do, because I'm not a yogurt expert, but with time I can be. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my unboxing fun for more videos like this. Have a nice day, take care, and bye.